Discover timeless style and precision engineering with our guide to the best automatic watches for men. These expertly crafted timepieces blend tradition and innovation, offering effortless elegance, reliable performance, and self-winding convenience that perfectly suits every gentleman's lifestyle and wardrobe. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BERNY Automatic Watch. The BERNY Automatic Watch delivers a combination of rugged reliability and classic style, making it an impressive choice for men seeking an everyday automatic timepiece with professional diving capabilities. At the heart of this model is the renowned Japan Miyota 8215 automatic movement, valued for its precision and durability. This self-winding mechanism eliminates the need for batteries while providing consistent accuracy. Its dial is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal window that ensures clarity and long-term resilience. The super-luminous hour markers are engineered to glow brightly, allowing easy reading in low-light conditions or even underwater. With a 20-bar water resistance rating, this watch is designed for serious aquatic activities such as snorkeling and deep diving without compromising performance. The stainless steel case and band add to its durability while maintaining an elegant masculine appeal. This blend of premium materials and thoughtful design details results in a timepiece that can handle both active lifestyles and formal settings. Number 2. San Martin 40mm Automatic Watch. The San Martin 40mm automatic watch offers a refined balance of sporty function and elegant aesthetics. Built around the high-performance Miyota 9015 movement from Japan, it provides reliable self-winding accuracy and smooth sweeping seconds. The stainless steel case, measuring 40 mm in diameter with a slim 11.4 mm profile, creates a comfortable yet substantial presence on the wrist. Its sapphire crystal dial window adds scratch resistance, while the folding clasp with safety ensures a secure fit. With 20-bar water resistance, this timepiece excels as a true diving companion, aided by its 120-click unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert for precise dive timing. The gradient Jianzhan dial, available in enamel, sunburst green, blue, or gray, brings a touch of artistry to its sporty design. Luminous hands and markers enhance readability in dim conditions, and the complete calendar feature adds everyday practicality. Number 3. San Martin SN0144 Automatic Watch. The San Martin SN0144 automatic watch is a dressier counterpart to the brand's sporty models, offering a sleek profile without sacrificing performance. It features the proven Miyota 9015 automatic self-winding movement, known for accuracy and smooth operation. The stainless steel case, measuring between 35 and 39 mm with a slim 10.1 mm thickness, ensures a refined fit that slides easily under a shirt cuff. Its sapphire crystal with AR coating resists scratches and glare, delivering excellent dial clarity. The imitation ceramic texture dial with gradient enamel options, red, blue, or brown, gives the watch a sophisticated, artistic look. Luminous BGW-X1 blue light on the hands and markers allows for easy reading even in dim conditions. With a 10-bar water resistance depth, it is resilient enough for everyday activities while remaining elegant for formal wear. The folding clasp with safety keeps it secure, while the leatherette box and case add to its premium presentation. Number 4. ADDIESDIVE Automatic Watch. The ADDIESDIVE Automatic Watch, model MY-H5, stands out as a professional-grade diver's watch designed for performance and endurance. Powered by the Japanese NH35A automatic movement, it features a stop-second device, two-way automatic winding, 24 joules, and 41 hours of power reserve, offering robust and precise timekeeping. The 316L stainless steel case and strap are crafted with sand and polishing techniques for enhanced durability and style. Its synthetic double sapphire glass with AR anti-glare coating ensures clarity even in bright sunlight or underwater conditions. Measuring 41 millimeters in diameter and 15 millimeters thick, the watch carries a reassuringly solid presence on the wrist. A 120-tooth unidirectional ceramic bezel, along with BGW9 blue and C3 green superluminous powders on the dial and hands, guarantees high visibility in dark or deep environments. With a 300-meter water resistance rating, this timepiece exceeds most everyday dive watch requirements. Number 5. Pagani Automatic Watch. The Pagani Automatic Watch, model PD1662, is a versatile luxury-style diver with modern engineering and an attractive price point. At its core is the Japan NH34 movement, combining mechanical hand-wind and automatic self-winding functions for dependable accuracy and convenience. The stainless steel case measures 40 millimeters in diameter with a 12.5 millimeter thickness, providing a comfortable yet commanding wrist presence. Its sapphire synthetic glass dial window resists scratches, while luminous hands and markers ensure excellent legibility in low light. The PD1662 offers 10-bar water resistance, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and everyday wear. A GMT function adds travel-friendly dual-time capability, enhancing its practicality for global users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.